Thank you, Madam Speaker. I rise to ask question number 3 of 2017. Can the Minister for Health and Medical Services inform this House as to when will the kitchen facilities in the new Navua Hospital become fully operational? Thank you.
Thank you. And I give the floor to the Honourable Minister for Health and Medical Services.
Thank you, Madam Speaker, and I thank the Honourable Member for this question. Madam Speaker, a simple answer to the question at the moment is we do not have a time frame to complete the refurbishment of the new Navua Hospital kitchen, and that is not disrupting our services in terms of catering for our patients. The catering services are still being done from the old Navua Hospital, and work in progress is, we are progressing with works because this project was funded by the aid program under the Chinese government, and we are working with the Chinese government and contractors to see how best we can progress with this. Thank you.
Thank you. Supplementary questions, the Honourable Martin Tombo.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. I thank the Honourable Minister for the answer given to the House. My question is, why did the hospital open without a kitchen? It was opened in 2014.
Thank you.
It is 2017 now. Why it was open? There is no kitchen in the hospital. Thank you, Madam Speaker.
Honourable Minister.
Thank you, Honourable Member, for this question. Unfortunately, I do not have an answer for that as well. We have got to remember this project was fully funded by the Chinese government, and the whole idea, I totally understand why the issue is raised here as to why the kitchen was not open. Like I said, we are moving forward. Unfortunately, it was not open for due reasons, and we are working progressively to ensure that we open the kitchen in the near future. Thank you.
Thank you. I give the floor to the Honourable Viman Prasad.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. Can the Minister inform the House whether she is planning to have a total review of all the shoddy work that was done without the supervision from the respective ministries? And this is the result. This is the result. So the question is, are you going to look at the whole hospital construction and whether it actually complies with the standards that we as a country require in the construction of any hospital?
Thank you. Honourable Minister.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. Thank the Honourable Prasad for the question again. Yes, Honourable Prasad, the simple answer to your question is the Ministry is currently working with the Office of the Prime Minister, Ministry of Infrastructure and Transport and Construction and Implementation Unit of the Ministry of Economy with the Chinese government and the construction company to see how we can progress with that.
Thank you. And I give the floor to the Honourable Sala Nirundru.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. Can the Honourable Minister explain what security and safety measures are in place to ensure that the meals transported from the old Navua Hospital kitchen is in compliance with the standard OHS regulations in Fiji to ensure the quick recovery of the patients? Thank you, Madam Speaker.
Madam Speaker, I thank Honourable Randondro for the question. My answer to your question, Honourable Randondro, is the food that is cooked in the old hospital is brought up hot and placed into food warmers and trolleys and served straight away to the patients. So far, we haven't had any issues in terms of hygiene with the food that is served to our patients. Thank you.
Thank you. I give the floor to Honourable Vandi.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. My question is why the government overlooked at the design of the government asset such as the Navua Hospital by the proper authorities before its inception. Thank you.
Thank you. Honourable Minister. Would you like to repeat your question, please, Honourable Minister?
My question is why the government overlooked at the design of government assets like the Navua Hospital was overlooked by the authorities before its inception. Thank you.
Thank you. Honourable Minister.
Madam Speaker, I think I've already provided an answer to that. Thank you very much.
Thank you. And I give the floor to the Honorable Rokiliraki. Thank you. Honorable Noiko.
Explain why they have not paid the overtime payment for the workers at CWM. And why is the lift faulty? Faulty lift at CWM and why the workers have not been paid?
Order.
Unestablished.
Order. The question is unrelated to the issue at hand.